Hello friends, welcome to the Rewas Gallery. Rainy season. India is a tropical country that enjoys all five seasons, namely spring, summer, autumn, winters, and rainy in a year. Out of all seasons, I love rainy season. It begins in month of June and lasts till September. Rains replenishes dried and parched lands from summer's heats. Rains also relieves all of us, humans, animals, and birds. From unbearable and scorching heat of the sun, and above all, makes weather pleasant so that we kids can play all day long. I eagerly wait for rains to wear my raincoat and gumboots and take a stroll in park in my little umbrella, jumping in big small puddles, hop like frogs and chasing them, waddle and follow the duck flock to the lake, or simply play with my friends in dreams. Gives me so much pleasure that I never want to miss. Returning home to relish scrumptious piping hot pakoras and yummy samosas makes me feel blessed. I also plant saplings in garden and street sides with my dad. And help my parents in collecting rainwater by placing tubs and buckets in balcony and roofs to thank Mother Nature for this beautiful weather. Rains make surrounding lush green, eyes delight, and brings happiness in everyone's life. My dad says plant more and more trees as they bring rains for free. So true, isn't it? Happy monsoon to all of you. If you like my video, then please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.